Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to the device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. If you get any informative video on this channel, then do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's start the video. Is your extender not working properly for a few days, and is not able to provide the right internet speed? Then don't worry, you have come to the right place. In today's video, we will learn how to reset the TP Link RE653BE BE10000 Range Extender in very easy steps. In this video, we will walk through the easy and short steps that help you to reset the TP Link extender in easy way. So let's start the video. Before starting the reset process, we will know why it is necessary to reset the extender. Resetting the TP Link RE653BE BE10000 Range Extender is necessary to fix connection issues or restore it to factory settings. This helps if you're changing networks or experiencing performance problems. Plug the TP Link RE653BE into a working power outlet. Wait for about 1 to 2 minutes until the LED indicators become stable. The extender must be fully powered on before you can reset it. Look around the sides or bottom of the extender to find the reset button. It's usually a small, recessed hole labeled reset. You'll need a pointed object, like a paperclip, pin, or SIM card tool, to press it. Now insert the pointed object into the reset hole. Press and hold the reset button firmly for about 10 seconds. Keep holding until you see the LED lights start to flash. Once the LED lights begin to blink or turn off, release the button. Blinking LEDs confirm the extender has started the reset process. The extender will now reboot automatically. This process takes about 1 to 2 minutes. All custom settings, Wi-Fi name, password, admin settings, etc., will be erased. The extender is now restored to its original factory settings. You can now set up the extender again using the TP Link Tether app or a web browser by visiting http://tplinkrepeater.net. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always help you and solve your problem as soon as possible. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more useful updates.